Spotted WSV references in a system folder and wondering what they do? These shadow copy volumes are Windows' built-in time machine for your files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how Windows shadow copy volumes work. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure WSV formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my #1 choice near the end of this guide. A .WSV file is a component of the Windows Volume Shadow Copy Service, VSS, representing a snapshot or point-in-time copy of a disk volume. Users, particularly system administrators, encounter these when performing backups or attempting to restore files to a previous version, seeking to understand their role in data recovery. This is a low-level binary system file that acts as a block-level differential copy of a volume. It doesn't store individual files, but rather the changes made since the snapshot was created. This design allows for efficient, space-saving backups and the ability to revert a system or file to a specific state. The optimal viewer for the WSV format is generally considered to be Windows Volume Shadow Copy Service from Microsoft Corporation. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows hides many system files by default to prevent accidental damage. To open this specific WSV file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Windows Volume Shadow Copy Service is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If you still cannot open your WSV file, that is okay. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, accessing previous versions. Right-click any file or folder and select Properties. Then the Previous Versions tab to browse available shadow copy versions. Select a desired point-in-time version to restore overwriting the current file or copy it to a different location, preserving both versions for comparison and review. Next, managing with vsys-admin. Open Command Prompt as administrator and use vsys-admin list shadows to view existing shadow copies. Commands like vsys-admin create shadow, and vsys-admin delete shadows manage snapshot lifecycle. Configure storage allocation through vsys-admin, resize shadow storage to control how much disk space shadow copies consume. Finally, restoring through System Restore. Open System Restore via Control Panel, then Recovery to roll back system files to a previous shadow copy state. This recovers from problematic updates, driver issues, or system corruption, while preserving personal documents created after the restore point. Choose restore points, carefully reviewing affected programs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.